EZBorder garden edges are an ideal do-it-yourself solution to finish your gardening and landscape projects. Enhance garden beds or tree surrounds with these convenient, durable, and eco-friendly border edges. In this video, we'll install the 1-inch thick UltraCurve in stones, bricks, and Carolina patterns. Recycling tires for a greener tomorrow. EZBorder garden edges are made of crumb rubber from used car and truck tires diverted from landfill. Used tires are collected when their treads are too low for safe driving. The rubber is removed and crumbed into tiny pieces. We use this crumb rubber to make useful new products for the home and garden. The rubber makes these edges extremely flexible and durable, but lighter weight than traditional concrete options. Since they're made from tires, they can withstand extreme temperatures and can be left in place in the garden during the winter months without risk of cracking or breakage. These are the tools required: a hose or string, measuring tape, rubber mallet, utility knife, and secondly, PPE. Always wear safety goggles to protect eyes from airborne debris. Always wear garden gloves to protect hands from injury. If desired, wear cushioned knee pads to protect knees for long gardening tasks. Step 1. Measure your space. Measure the linear feet of your garden edge to determine how many linear feet of edging you'll need by measuring with a hose or string. Step 2. Choose the right garden edge for the project. Today, we'll use the UltraCurve to edge a curvy garden abutting a lawn. This garden edge will curve to the contours of the garden and be held in place with a hook-shaped spike. Our UltraCurve edge are available in 4-foot lengths. The height of the edge varies depending on the design. Due to its rubber construction, the product is very flexible to hug the curves of garden beds. See how easily it bends. The UltraCurve is our most flexible garden edge. Step 3. Prepare the garden. Establish a clear separation between the lawn and the garden soil or garden aggregates such as mulch. Dig a clean edge with a shovel or spade, or simply clear the ground to allow the edge to rest on a level space. If you're digging a clean edge, ensure a trench of no more than 1 inch deep but not wide. Step 4. Install the UltraCurve border. First, align the first edge with the start of the garden bed. You could also dry fit the entire garden by placing edges near their intended space. The spike for this edging system has a hook that fits perfectly over the top profile of the garden border. Hook the spike over the edge and hit it into place with the mallet, while also gently holding until the spike is close enough to the top of the edge to align. Add the remaining 3 spikes, that's 4 spikes per edge, and bend the edge to conform to the garden curves, fixing it into place using the spike. When abutting 2 edges together, the hook portion of the spike can cover the seam. For the Carolina edge, you'll notice that the spike location has been pre-notched into the mold of the edge design. This edge is designed to have the spike installed at the 3-inch height, not the full height of the spike.